Welcome back, everyone. I am thrilled to announce the official launch of the groundbreaking 2026 Suzuki B-King.
The moment you fire up the 2026 Suzuki B-King 1340, you don't just hear an engine, you feel a statement. A challenge. A thunderous reminder that raw, unfiltered power still has a place in a world turning quieter every year. And yet, this new B-King doesn't just rely on brute strength the way the original Legend did. Instead, it evolves the entire idea of what a naked hyperbike should be, transforming raw chaos into refined brutality. Suzuki didn't just resurrect a name, they revived an entire philosophy. From the first second you twist the throttle, you know this machine is not here to participate. It is here to dominate, to turn highways into playgrounds, to remind riders what a real adrenaline spike feels like. Asterisk, the 2026 B-King 1340 is built around Suzuki's latest generation Hayabusa-derived power plant, tuned specifically for naked bike aggression. With 1,340 cc of explosive displacement, the torque signature comes earlier, hits harder, and digs deeper than you expect. Suzuki engineers focused on delivering an instant shove and immediate, spine-tingling surge the moment you breathe on the throttle. The moment the revs climb, the bike feels like it's pulling Earth backward rather than pushing itself forward. It has that supernatural Hayabusa thrust, but now wrapped in a body that exposes every sensation to the wind. No fairing, no insulation, no filters. Just you, the engine, and the wind blast that hits like you're sprinting through a hurricane. The ride becomes a conversation between courage and throttle discipline, and the B-King always has the louder voice. Asterisk, Suzuki redesigned the intake system so every twist of the grip responds with a deep, aggressive gulp of air that sounds like a beast awakening. The exhaust note has matured, gaining a deeper tone that crackles with authority during downshifts. Acceleration feels almost violent in the lower gears, yet perfectly engineered, not unstable, not unpredictable, but overwhelmingly alive. The electronics package balances the madness, using traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and launch control to make sure the rider can unleash enormous power without fear. This is a bike designed for riders who crave speed, yet respect the reality of it. A machine that hands you monstrous performance with razor-sharp control. Asterisk. The 2026 B-King doesn't simply look muscular, it looks futuristic, sculpted, and unapologetically aggressive. Suzuki built it like a modern cyber machine. Angular lines, aerodynamic shoulders, and a pump tank section that sits like armor across the frame. The LED lighting signature gives the bike a predatory stare, with the DRLs forming a sharp-edged expression that mirrors the engine's intentions. Air scoops flow with a functional purpose now, channeling air directly through the large radiators and intake chambers. Even at a standstill, it looks like it wants to lunge forward. It has presence commanding, bold, and unmistakably B-King. Asterisk. The chassis upgrades turn the raw power into a beautifully controlled experience. A new aluminum frame, inspired by the Hayabusa but strengthened for naked bike stress loads, provides rigidity without sacrificing flickability. The suspension package is a fully adjustable, electronically assisted system that adapts automatically. Whether you're carving mountain corners, accelerating hard on a straight, or cruising slowly through city traffic, the system anticipates and adjusts. On the road, this translates into a machine that feels heavier than a Streetfighter but more precise than a Superbike. It's a hybrid of personality, wild yet intelligent, heavy yet surprisingly agile, intimidating yet irresistibly rewarding. Asterisk, the handling is a standout highlight because Suzuki didn't want the B-King to just be a brute force straight-line monster. They wanted it to corner with confidence, stabilize under heavy acceleration, and maintain poise during aggressive maneuvers. When you lean it over, the bike doesn't fight you, it guides you. The weight distribution is balanced, the steering precise, and the suspension communicative. You feel the road, the traction, the limits, and the possibilities. It's the kind of motorcycle that pulls respect from your riding style, demanding you ride with intention, not impulse. Asterisk, the updated electronic suite is smarter, smoother, and more customizable. Riders can tune throttle response, traction intervention, engine braking, and suspension behavior through a stunning new TFT display. Even the quickshifter has been refined to deliver near-seamless power transitions, letting you rip through gears without losing momentum. The bike becomes an extension of your intentions, angry when you want intensity, calm when you want control, and brutally dominant when you crave speed. And all of this power sits under ergonomics that strike a perfect balance between upright comfort and aggressive positioning. Your body feels planted, your back supported, and your arms perfectly aligned for both high-speed riding and city maneuverability. Suzuki also thought about durability and heat management, essential for a machine with this much displacement. The 2026 B-King includes advanced cooling channels, improved oil flow systems, and redesigned radiator architecture. Even during long, high-speed runs, the bike maintains temperature stability without losing performance. It's engineered not just for bursts of acceleration but for sustained, real-world riding highways, traffic, fast touring, spirited weekend runs. The engine is built to be ridden, not just admired. On long stretches of road, the bike surprises you with how comfortable and stable it feels. The wind pressure is intense but manageable, the seat cushioning supportive, and the chassis tuned to handle hours of non-stop motion. Hit the throttle at high speed and the aerodynamic design works with you, pressing the bike into the road and creating a grounded, stable feel. It has presence in the wind, but not drag. It has power on tap, but not chaos. It becomes a companion, an aggressive one, yes, but a loyal and predictable one when treated with respect. At slow speeds, the engine remains smooth and controlled thanks to Suzuki's low RPM assist system. That signature Hayabusa-level refinement means stop-and-go traffic is not a punishment. The clutch modulation is precise, and the feeling is near perfect, avoiding jerks or sudden jumps. You feel connected, not overwhelmed. This balance of tameness and fury makes the B-King 1340 extremely versatile, one of the rare hypernakeds you can ride daily without feeling like it's too much. Then comes the pure thrill factor. Twist the throttle hard, feel the back tire bite into the asphalt, and watch the world blur around you. The front wheel lightens, the engine roars, the wind punches your chest, and you become part of the chaos. It's intoxicating, addictive, a reminder that motorcycles still have a soul. The 2026 B-King is not built for riders searching for a soft experience. It's built for those who crave that unforgettable, adrenaline-heavy blast only a true hyperbike can deliver. It's built for riders who want to feel alive every time the road opens up. In a world where many manufacturers soften their bikes, chase efficiency, blend performance into comfort, and mute their exhaust notes, Suzuki went in the opposite direction. They revived a legend known for excess and then sharpened it with modern engineering. The 2026 B-King 1340 is the modern representation of mechanical confidence, a machine not afraid of what it is. It's bold, it's loud, it's unapologetically powerful.